Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer college player to Madden 25. Firstly, finish your college season and ensure your player is eligible for the NFL. In the Road to Glory menu, go to the Actions tab. Choose this option to initiate the transfer process, which is Leave for NFL. Now confirm the export when prompt. This will upload your player data to EA's servers. Open the game on your console and from the main menu select Superstar mode. Choose Create a new career and select the same position as your Road to Glory player, and when prompt, select the option to import your Road to Glory player. And that's it guys, as simple as that. This feature is available on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.